Hey, Skylar, how are you?
Good.
Good, good, good. Well, I'm really excited to work on these with you today. So the first thing that we're going to start with is we're going to do some sounding out with these first 15 words. And I want you to do your best job. And as we get them right and wrong, we'll work on them together. I may cover the word and ask you some questions, and we might do a little air writing, okay?
Okay.
All right, awesome. Okay, so let's start with our very first word. Can you take a look at it? I'll zoom in a bit for us. Can you take a look at it and tell me what you see? What it says?
Cat.
Cat. Great job. Give you a check mark. All right, great job. How about our next word?
Dog.
Dog. Good job. All right, question about that word dog. Can you tell me the last letter you pictured in the word dog? What did you see last?
G.
Yeah, totally. You're absolutely right. There was a G there. I'm going to cover it again. What if we change that G to a T? Would it still say dog?
No.
No, what would it say?
Dot.
It would be dot. That's perfect. Good job. That's like 3 checks just on one word. Nice. You're getting a ton of points there. Okay, how about number 3? What would that say?
Number 3 say log.
Excellent job. That's perfect. Okay, how about number 4?
Number 4 say pin.
Ken? All right, great job. I love that N when you say Ken. So when you said that word Ken, what's the first letter you picture? When you say Ken, what's the first letter you imagine? What do you see first?
Ken. K.
Me too. Let's see if that matches our word. What do we have?
P.
A P, absolutely. So what would this word actually say? Instead of Ken, it would say what?
Pen.
Pen. All right, good job. So I'm going to put down a mark that we missed it the first time, but since you were able to figure it out with my questions, we'll give you a check mark there too. Okay? All right, how about number 5?
Pig.
Excellent job. That's totally going to say pig. All right, number 6. Let's give it a try.
Fan.
Nice job. And for an extra point, can you tell me the second letter you saw in the word fan?
Fan.
Yeah, what was the second letter you saw?
Like after the F.
Uh,
Like after the F.
yeah, totally. After the F, you're right. What letter did you see there?
A.
An A, me too. So if that said fan, and I wanted to change the word to say fin, what letter would you have to change?
The middle one.
Mm-hmm. And it would go from being an A to a what?
I.
Good job. All right, that would totally be fin, F-I-N. All right. Let's try the next one, number 7. I'll give you an extra one for that. All right, number 7, what do we have?
Pot.
Nice. I would definitely say pot. All right, number 8.
One.
1,
One.
run. Okay, great job. All right, how about number 9?
Number 9.
Hmm.
Vet.
Vet. Good job. And number 10.
Number 10. Food.
Mhm. Food. Great job. All right, number 11. Let's give it a shot.
Mug.
Mug. Nice. All right, I'm going to test your memory again. All right, in that word mug, can you give me all the letters backwards?
Backwards.
Uh-huh.
G-U-N.
Great job. And if it was G-U-M, what would that word say?
GM.
G-U-M. What would that spell?
Gum.
Yeah, good job. It would be gum. Okay. All right. What about number 12?
Sit.
Excellent job. You're almost done. How about number 13?
13. Mat.
Mat. Nice. All right. Number 14.
Hum.
Awesome. All right. And
The last one.
I'm going to cover 14. When you say hum, what's the second letter you see?
U.
Me too. How about you change that U to an A and tell me what the word would say?
Ham.
It would be ham. Good job. I thought I was going to trick you with that one. But nope, just an extra point. Okay, and last but not least in this section, can you help me with number 15?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let's take a look. And what's it going to be?
Top.
Oh, perfect. All right, so we are going to do a few sight words. And with these sight words, I know these are ones you've practiced before. So for this one, I want you to focus on speed. I'm going to have you go 1 through 5 and then 5 through 1, okay?
Okay.
All right, read them for me.
And it has up an or.
Excellent job. And in reverse?
Or up has its in.
Amazing work. All right. I have to steal. All right. Let's do the same thing for numbers 6 through 10, okay?
Okay.
All
On
right.
is if he be.
Great.
Be.
Great job. That was a perfect run through. All right. And now for the next part that we're going to do, these are called sight phrases. So these are going to be things that you kind of scoop together. So these are words that you might say all in a row or might commonly happen together. So I want you to think about it before you say it, kind of say all of it in your head, nice and clear, and then read it for me, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's try the first one.
On the log.
Good job. All right, what about our second one?
It is on.
Good job. Now, all those words were perfect, but I want you to try and scoop it together and read it all like one little phrase. Like instead of it is on, why don't you try it is on?
I got it.
Okay, you want to give it another try? All right, try it for me.
On.
All right, good. I like the feeling you added there too. That's awesome. All right, now next one. I want you to try this one. And remember, try and scoop them all together.
Okay.
All right,
Up the hill.
up the hill. Great job. All right, next one.
Cat or dog?
Cat or dog? What about you? Are you a cat or dog person? Or both?
I'm a dog person.
Dog person? Say I'm a little bit of both. I'm a dog and a cat, so both. All right, and last one.
He has it.
He has it. Nice. Perfect score. All right, in our last section, we're going to do a little bit of reading practice, okay? I'm going to have you read. You're doing a really great job, by the way. I'm going to have you read, and when you're reading, I just want you to read with feeling. I want you to take a nice pause at your period. Just do your best, okay? So why don't you read that paragraph for me, and then I answer the question at the end.
Okay.
All right. Whenever you're ready, you can start.
Pat had a fun pit. It was a big dog. He took it to the vet. Good dog, said the vet. Pat was glad.
Great job. Good reading. Can I ask you one question?
Mm-hmm.
Can you just double check a phrase for me? Could you read that phrase one more time for me?
A fun pit.
A fun pit. Does that make sense?
I mean, pet.
Oh, a fun pet. Oh, all right. That makes sense. All right. So pets are much more fun than pits, but let's take a look. All right. So Pat had a fun pet. All right. So now let's read our final sentence at the end. Okay.
What pet did Pat have? A cat, A cat, B bug, or C dog? It's C.
It's totally a dog. You're absolutely right. Good job. And our one tricky word, what was it again? We had it here and
Pet.
here.
Pet.
Pet. Great job. And since it was a little tricky, I'm going to scroll down and I want you to air write pet for me, okay?
Okay.
Can you do that? Hmm. Be sure to say the names as you go. So P,
Okay. P
mhm,
E T.
says
Pet.
pet. All right, awesome job. That was wonderful. All right, so I'm just going to erase those. We will put a circle around dog because you gave me such a good answer there. All right. Look at that. Look at all those check marks. You did so well. I'm really proud. So, way to go. That was a really great virtual session, okay? All right.